What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SS Marco back at it again with a video for y'all, man. Today I'm gonna be putting on my first mod on my Camaro. Y'all see it, man. What do you guys think it is? Let me know in the comment section. So without further ado, man, let's get started. Get started on the video and pop the hood for y'all. Let me show y'all what it's looking like right now. Hold on. All right, here we go. Oh, shit a little dirty in there right now, but let me show y'all what's under the hood right now. There's a lot of, we got SS Fritos house. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna get started with the first mod today. I'm gonna pull it out, show it to y'all. So let's get to it. Cool. We got the old box off right there. That's everything for it right there. All right, y'all, we got the old box off. No, it's right here. Air filters off right there. That's the new one over there we're about to put on. K&N. Got SS Frito in the cut, you know what I'm saying? Got the Camaro. Can I show them? They can see it. Yeah. They can see the build, man. Look, he got the Camaro going crazy right now. Check him out, subscribe. Yes, sir, he got that. I ain't gonna say that. Y'all gonna have to wait and see, man. But yeah, subscribe. So, but yeah, man, we're back. Get all that carbon from my throttle body. It's crazy. That was just off 2 wipes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Why no touches? Got the mechanic, the man himself. SS Frito, man. Look, we got the cold air intake in there. Now we're about to start it up, give y'all a sound clip. What you think, Frito? Easy job or hard job? Easy. It ain't take too long, so. But yeah, we're gonna give y'all a sound clip. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Shout out your YouTube, man.
SS Frito, SS _ Frito.
Yes, sir. He got the Camaro right there. Let's show him the Camaro one more time. What we got? What we got on? Yeah. Got the
Storm supercharger on there.
Yeah.
It should be done. Just gotta change the lower pulley. So then boom, put it back together.
Yes, sir.
In the cooler, piping.
All that right there. Look at that.
Yeah, and then we gotta go to the rear end.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Mess something up, you know what I'm saying? See that?
God damn, this been rolling. What happened to your brakes? Yeah. Wait, the Camaro down right now, but it don't matter. Hey, he gonna be back. He gonna be back with that crazy thing on them. So make sure y'all stay tuned. You know, y'all like, comment, go subscribe, follow the boy, man.
what you think?
That boy
Sound
good,
a little
nah.
different?
It sounds good. Yeah.
So this your first mod.
Yeah. Go ahead, hit that before me one time. Like SS Fredo on the cut. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What you think, Fredo? For real. Yeah. Yeah. God damn, that bitch sound good though. Hey man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Look at this shit. This is pro. We gotta get to. Oh yeah. We
Get him to 1K.
1K. We gotta get it done before the year over. So y'all comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Yes sir. It's been your boy. Peace.